Ah! There's the garbage truck. He's making... Oh, he's going to empty the garbage? You can't drive under that. No, it's too big for that. Should we do the garbage? Let's put the garbage in. Okay, we'll put the garbage on there. Okay, is he going to do the garbage? Here it goes. There it goes. Yay! And it goes down. Yep. Okay, back down. Okay, you're going to do it now? You want to put it on there? Oh, you're going to do it like that? Okay. Yay. More this? Okay. Let's put it on there. Okay, we put it on. Do you want to put it in there, or should I? Bless you. Bless you again. There it goes. Yay! There's garbage truck fun, huh? In down.